Thanks for stopping by. Always appreciate your joining this channel in its post-by-post journey as it covers short-ish random topics. From time to time, it may present unboxing of electronics and gadgets primarily for use in the production of its content. It will cover talks on its YouTube experience, including some light issues on daily lives. It will cover helpful tips on how-tos and DIYs, even as it ventures on short cooking episodes discuss contemporary technology and culture. The channel first started as a support and archival site for videos for CBANGA360.net site. Later, to distinguish it from the website, inMotion was added as its call ID to fully give it its own identity and character. Besides, the channel really is always in the good mood, being fluid, proactive and responsible, always in the lookout for fresh and interesting features and stories to share with positive outlook. Lately, it is experiencing modest growth in terms of subscribers and watch time minutes. The warm inflow of support is enough as a consolation and recognition of efforts, but also prompted the challenge to strive and push for the best of what it can deliver and share. It will strive to post several videos per week and also feature random guest hosts too. If you find the videos interesting, helpful and positive, perhaps you may want to support CBANGA360 inMotion channel's endeavor and continue watching its posts. You may even decide to subscribe and hit the notification bell.